Let's make an easy one-pot meal. If you're following along, we're going to start with a big pot. Go ahead and scramble your ground turkey or ground beef in that pot. And I like to rinse mine and strain the fat off of it, which I did. Some of my new followers may not know, but I'm allergic to beef, so I have to use turkey. And this is optional. If you don't like mushrooms, I get it, but I added 1 8-ounce container of sliced mushrooms, 1/4 of a green bell pepper diced. If you have children, you might omit these 2 ingredients, but my grandson loved this one-pot meal. Add 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Give this a stir and make sure your stovetop eye or your burner is on low to simmer, and then we're going to put a lid on this and let those mushrooms and bell peppers soften up. After about 10 minutes, we are going to give this a stir, and then we are going to add the main ingredient, which is so simple, just a package of cheese ravioli, which you can find at most grocery stores in the frozen food section. Add 1 jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce. Let's give this a nice little stir. And voila, you're done. And this took about 30 minutes to make. This is so simple. Just top it with some cheese and enjoy.